Hey, I'm Alan Brito, I'm an architect, and let me show you how you can get almost unlimited doors, windows, and a lot of other objects for Bonsai for free. For instance, if you are just getting started with Bonsai and exploring everything, you probably started here with the file, new project wizard, and choose here the demo template, which will provide a few ready-to-use types for your design. Let me create something really quickly here, something like a wall, and press Shift A, hit Enter, and we need now, for instance, a door. So I can enable here the door tool, select my single type that will come with the demo project, the types that will come with Bonsai, and you can add just a single door here. It works if you are just learning about Bonsai, but once you decide to go serious and use Bonsai on a real project, you will notice that you will realize that this single door is not enough. You need more assets. So what is the solution? Well, we have two paths. First one is to design your own assets, your own doors, windows, or anything that you need. Or the second option, which is what I recommend for most people, is to find free assets or assets provided by manufacturers. For instance, if you are designing a house, you will order a specific model for a door. You can get this model or this file in many free online libraries. Let me show you one example. Let me bring here, I'll be using this library here called BIM Object. They have a focus on Revit, but they offer a few of their files as an IFC. You just have to filter your files. For instance, I have here, I will select doors. Let me just resize here so you can take a better look. I will click here under doors. And when you go into one of their categories and look for doors, you can filter by file type. And I'll be choosing here IFC. This is what you need to use with Bonsai. Let me apply. And then you will see a list of a lot of door types. Let's pick one, a fancy door type. This one here, for instance. You would have a lot of work if you decided to go designing this door here by scratch. Let me just scroll up here. This is our door. You'll see here that we have a few images. I want to use this door inside Bonsai. What is the secret? There is no secret. Just hit the download button. Deselect everything here. I will just pick the IFC file. Hit download selected. No, I don't want your app. And we are good to go. Just downloaded the file. Let me import that to Bonsai. And to get that door type here inside a Bonsai, you have to scroll here under project overview, scroll down until you find here the project library. Let me expand, and you will be able to open a new library by just hitting this button here. You'll see project library, and you have this icon here to open a new IFC file. So I will click here. And this is my file, door.ifc. But before you select the file here and just hit the select library file to import, this file is using an old IFC schema. You will see that Bonsai will highlight this here. It's using IFC 2x3. We actually need an IFC 4. But luckily for us, Bonsai will be nice enough to upgrade the file for us. So click this button here, upgrade to IFC 4. Bonsai will do the update, and we will have another file, same name, with IFC 4 at the end. Select the library. Bonsai will import the file. You will be able to navigate it here. Let me just go to IFC type product, IFC door style, and you will see the door here. Just click on this button and Bonsai will import this asset into your project. Let me press this clip icon and we are ready to use this door. And here is something new. If you never did this before, you will probably try to look for this new door type under here, and it won't show up as a door type. Remember, when we browsed here on this object, it's under door style, not door type. So to access this object, you actually have to use here this multi-object tool, and you will see here that we have a list of objects here at the top, and you will see that one of them is door IFC door style. And here's our door right here, and selecting this type, press Shift A, and as you can see, we have our door type in Bonsai. This was part of an external library. I just imported that into my project. So it's not really as straightforward, or you have to follow a few steps, especially converting the IFC file to IFC4, but it's quite easy to add any external library to Bonsai and improve your projects using additional windows, doors, furniture, and a lot more. And this is it. You now know how to use external libraries to get almost unlimited doors, windows, and assets to your Bonsai project. If you liked this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future Bonsai tutorials. And if you want to keep learning more about how to use Blender for architecture, I will leave links in the description with a few additional learning resources. I have this workshop here called Blender Precise 3D Modeling, where I teach you how to use Blender as a CAD tool. This one here, I will teach you how to use Blender as a 2D drafting tool. And I have a new book. This book here called Blender Rendering with Cycles. This is a 300-page book where I will explain step by step how to use Blender cycles to render product presentations, architectural interiors, exteriors, and a lot more. This is just about rendering. Links in the description. By the way, if you are a channel member, a pro channel member, you will get those resources for free. So consider becoming a member to support my work here in Blender 3D Architect. Again, I hope you like this tutorial. See you next time. Bye.